Hello, Brandon. Thank you for sending in your TCUs. This is the one you said you ordered from Japan that did not work. They said it was rebuilt, but it has not been rebuilt. It has not been opened. That's the serial number right there. This is the one that you said is out of your vehicle. And its connectors look fine. Connectors on this one, on your core, look fine. I don't see any damage on the back. I don't see any damage on the back. I'll get this into the repair queue. I know we discussed a few different options. So I'm going to assume for rebuild, you want this one rebuilt. And this one is the trade-in for a little bit of price reduction. I will get this into the repair queue. Thank you very much.